Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop. Today I have a quick, or hopefully a quick little welding fun project that I want to try. So I'm going to walk you through what I've been doing recently. I've recently got a little compressor, or I got a 8-gallon air compressor as you saw in one of my previous videos. Make sure to go check it out, link in the description. I recently got a cool mist system hooked up on my belt grinder. I have it hooked up to this water bottle here. And so I have this little 1/8 by 1/4 inch material. So the plan for this is to have 3 or 4 spikes coming straight up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see about wrapping some bars around it and welding it around them. I'm going to do probably about 2 of them. And then I might come back and do something to add to the top of this. I can later come back and lift the cage up and over. So what I have here is I have a 1/8 by 1/4 inch piece of material. I have it cut at 14 inches. Now I'm going to cut another one to have 2 straps going around the bottle. Grinders there. What I've been doing is I've been taking over the horn, hitting it about here, and then I've been putting a bend into it. I'm working with it. It's turning out, so I'm just going to keep on it. Once again, this was all just by eye, so I'm not really that concerned about it. So next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting 4 pieces at 13 inches long, because I want to have about an inch out here, and then there's going to be about an inch or 2 inches around here that I'm not too sure what I want to do with yet. So I'd rather have it, and if I need to, come back and cut it off. But let's measure it and get cutting. I'm going to go ahead right now and mark off the 4 holes that I want, preferably, or hopefully squared off with everything. And then I'm going to drill them 1 inch deep. I'm just going to go through. So since I'm working with 1/4 inch material, I'm going to be just drilling a big enough hole just for it to sit into comfortably. I center punched all the holes. 2 of these are center punched wrong. I just marked off the wrong height. So 6.5, 3 inches up from the base. The blue marks off the part that goes into the base, so I'm just going to go ahead and drill these. So I have a 5/64 drill bit in here. This is some insulated wire used in transformers that I have laying around. It's fairly flexible and thin. My plan is to be able to put this into it and wrap around each one of the joints separately. It'll give it a nice coppery red look along with this rusted metal. So in that, let's just jump right into drilling them. Do quickly is throw a small countersink into my drill. Just give each one of these a small little countersink into each one of them. Now that I have this wire part wrapped up on top, what I'd really like to see what doing is coming in with a wooden fitting to actually go on top of this. Just make it a little bit nicer. So to give it a little bit more older look, add some more detail to it, not just this wire wrap, as well as cover up this ugly plastic top. So by doing this, my plan is to use my metal lathe. What I have hooked up on this is a piece of wood on my one of my 4-jaw chucks. It's just eyeballed, it's not on perfect center. It's not really that big of a deal to me. My plan is to come in, face it off, and then come in with a boring bar and start boring it, and just go from there. Alright guys, so as you just finished seeing is I was machining up this piece of wood up here. I ended up coming back and giving both pieces of wood a burned finish. Now this looks great to have the burned wood along with the rustic metal and the copper finishes around the sides. So this is the bottle that goes with my Cool Mist system with my 2x72" belt grinder. This was a fun little project to do as a decorative piece of art in my shop. So on that, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section down below if you have any feedback or for future video ideas. And on that, have a great day guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Have a good day.